So, all right, welcome to a tutorial where I will show you how to use your credit in Halal Ads. So, this is the dashboard, but you need to go to, let's log out. Okay. So, when you land, you should land on the landing page. Go to halal-ads.dankoresoft.com/advertiser/landing. I'm going to leave the link in the description area below. So when you get here, go to login. So I'm going to go to login. Let me zoom it a little bit more. So then I will log in. If you don't have an account, well, if you don't have if you don't have account, create account. Right now we are doing a promo where um, if you create an account, you automatically get at least 3 days. So, so this is my dashboard. As you can see, I've taken some ads. So what I need to do is to go to create in-feed ad. That is the most common ad. That is the ad that shows when you scroll the feed in the app where we show your advertisement. So, all right, you choose what kind of ads you want to show. We have image only, text only, or mixed, which is image and text. So, I don't know. I want to, because this is a demo, let me see. Yeah, let's do text only. All right, so I'm going to type a message here. Want to advertise your business on Halal Ads? Click the link below to get a 7 days to get 7 days free. Sorry, to get 7 days free. So for the call of action, this is where you want the people to click. So I will say claim yours now. For the destination, I want the landing page. And then, yeah, so I will do next. So here I will see the settings. If you have promo code, this is an optional. If you are actually watching this video, message me. Okay, message me at ads at dankoresoftware.com. I'm gonna dankoresoft.com. I'm gonna leave the email below, and you will get a promo um, for additional 3 days. Promo code. Actually, let's make it easier. Okay, let's make it easier. If you watch this video and you want to try Halal Ads, try this promo. There are so many promos going on right now. When you create an account, you get some days. Okay, that one comes automatically. And I want to add that. I want to add 3 more days. So the promo is 2026. Yes, that is the promo code. 2026. Let me remove this dash because I haven't created it yet. So 2026. Yes, and this will be the promo code. You see, it says invalid because I haven't created it yet. So I will create it by the time this video is out. Type 2026 yes, and you'll get 3 days free. Okay, so if you have promo code, this way you add it. This is where you choose how many days you want your ad to show. Because I have 3 days promo, I'm going to choose 3. So I'm going to remove this. That's a distraction. So 3 days. This is the rate, 600 naira per day. Now, you see, it says free because I have 3 days free promo. And that is how you know that you don't need to pay. Okay, and here at the top, you should see the 3 days that you have. Okay, whatever this you have, this is how many, this is where you see it. Now, if I make it 4 days, you see it applied 3 days, and now I have to pay for 1 day. So I'm just gonna make it that, and we will review your ad. Every ad that comes in, we'll review it before, and we'll let you know if we approve it or reject it. You should receive an email. So I'm gonna go to next. So this way you review your ad. You can kind of see a preview of your ad here. Okay. Your ad type is text, duration 3 days, destination URL is this, and total cost free because I just applied my 3 days. It is important that if you want to read, you can read some of the terms and conditions and which platform we use. So I'm going to say save and next. Yeah, and this kind of wraps up everything, and this way you pay. Okay. So because I have free, I don't need to pay anything. And I will just click this button here that says create in-feed ad and pay. And it automatically creates it for me because I didn't need to pay. It's free. Okay. So this is the campaign I did. We can view it. This is a text only, created January 12, 2026. And yeah, so now I wait for the admin to approve it. But if I go to the dashboard, I go to the create in-feed ad. I have 0 days now because I have used up all my credit, or whatever credit I have, free days credit. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to claim 2026 yes, and you get 3 days free to advertise your business to thousands of our network. So thank you to thousands of people in our network. So all right, see ya.